G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing, June 15, 2023. This is the Aussie New Zealand price update. You can see here we're on a bullish momentum on our weekly. On the daily it's broken down into a neutral, and on the hourly it's broken up into a bullish again after hitting our short positioning on the divergence play. Had you been trading that very slightly, just bounced off that. So looking at each of these, so we'll look at the triple moving average of the price chart. It's broken up through this descending trend line and giving us, and that's in line with this bullish momentum on the CCI 150. It's giving us this bullish signal on the weekly, so predominantly long trades. On the daily, we did break up on this bullish divergence on the CCI. So when it broke above that trend line, the descending trend line, you would have entered it around there, and our initial target would have been that first Fibonacci range between the 61% and the 78%, and this went as far as, and it penetrated beyond the 88% Fibonacci, so it did quite well in terms of bullish divergence on that play on the daily. You'll notice also there's a key resistance up here at 101.819. So 110819. Apologise. And it's making a nice bull candle after bouncing off the top range over there at 78% Fibonacci, still moving to the upside. On the daily, on the hourly, there was a separate bearish divergence here. We drew that in our last video. You can see that was the dotted line is our last video posting, and we set a target at this 23% Fibonacci retracement at 109.36. And if you zoom in, you can see there that the bottom of that candle penetrated that top of that area, which we set the target at. So it didn't enter into that target area, but it actually slightly just touched it, and that should have been a successful bearish divergence play on that one, and now making further upside. So again, the hourly showing a bullish divergence along with the weekly. So we'll just wait for that possibly to break to the upside on the daily before starting to take further long trades. And in terms of trading, just zoom out on the hourly again. You can see there we've got the bearish backtest and the bullish backtest. And again, you can see there during that bullish period, you would have entered single trades and avoided going long during that short environment. And the reason you would have avoided those long trades, because you only go long when the weekly and the daily are aligned. So while that's going long since October 22, so during that period, there was some long trades up until that point, until October. There were predominantly short trades in that area, and you can see there predominantly short trades in that area. So making sure that both the weekly and the daily are aligned with the hourly to take those trades. So again, we're just making further upside on the hourly, and we'll just wait for the daily to also break to the upside. So to understand how to trade this and other trading strategies, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe to my Patreon page, where we also scan for stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.